Hi, this is Victor Science from Simple Maths, and today I'm gonna show you how to query an Athena database over a URL using AWS Lambda. You can find the written tutorial on our website by visiting the link below. First, we need to go ahead and create the Lambda function. We are gonna give it a name, query world cities tutorial. Then we're gonna select Python 3.9. We're gonna scroll down over to the advanced settings. And we're gonna enable function URL with the authentication type none. Then everything's good. We're gonna go ahead and create the function. Takes a second. Now that the function is created, we're gonna go ahead and enable cores. Go edit and then enable cross-origin resource sharing with the. We're gonna go scroll down and hit save. Now we click the URL, we're gonna get the hello from Lambda. Now we're gonna edit the IAM role. Go to edit and then the view the query world cities tutorial role. We're gonna scroll down to add permissions, and then we're gonna click create inline policy. We're gonna select JSON, and we're just gonna copy and paste the policy from our tutorial, the JSON file. We copy and paste it. Now we need to change the addresses to the ones where we have our S3 bucket. In my case, I'm just gonna add tutorial to the end. We review the policy and then save it. We gotta give it a name. Query world cities policy tutorial. Then we create the policy. Now that we have our policy, we're gonna go back to our Lambda function, and we're gonna click configuration, general configurations, and then we're gonna edit timeout to 30 seconds. The last part of this tutorial is going to the code tab, and now we're gonna copy and paste the code for the Lambda function. You can just go ahead and copy it. And then paste it. And you have to use your own parameters. In my case, it's just adding the tutorial at the end. we're gonna hit save and deploy. Once we deploy our Lambda function, we can just go ahead and test it. We have created the link, and we're just gonna open the link. It's probably gonna take a second, and then we're gonna see that we get our data. There it is.